Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by narrowing the cause. Check if inverted colors appear only on YouTube or across apps. Open YouTube in incognito or a different browser to rule out extensions quickly. Next, disable any theme or accessibility extensions. Once done, refresh the player and toggle hardware acceleration in your browser settings. These steps isolate whether the issue is a browser extension, YouTube rendering, or a system-level color filter. Once the quick checks point to a deeper problem, inspect OS-level filters. Turn off Windows color filters, Mac OS invert colors or accessibility display, and Android/iOS color inversion. Make sure the browser isn't forcing a color profile or experimental flag. Reset Chrome, //flags, or equivalent to default. Update your GPU drivers, clear cache and site data, and temporarily disable hardware acceleration to see if rendering changes. These steps correct low-level color handling. To finish, reset browser settings to default or reinstall the browser to eliminate corrupted configuration. Test the same YouTube video on another device or a fresh user profile to confirm the fix. If inversion persists, consider rolling back recent GPU driver updates or use the manufacturer's troubleshooting utility. One key troubleshooting tip: boot into safe mode or create a new user account if inverted colors vanish there. The issue is a profile or extension conflict rather than YouTube itself.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.